If you don't have money to pay for any AI tool, you are looking for an AI tool you can use to be generating your AI videos or your story videos or your movie videos. In fact, any type of video you want to generate, and you are looking for a free AI tool you can use, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to review an AI tool for you which you can use to be generating videos for free. You don't need to pay, you don't need to subscribe, you don't need credit, and you can be generating videos with the AI tool. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. But don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video. People like you are also going to benefit from this video if you share this video. Now, let's get started. So this is the name of the AI tool. As you guys can see, you can just go to your browser and you search for the name of the AI tool. This is the AI tool here, and you click on it. This first one you are seeing here, you just click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to open like this. If you have not registered, it will ask you to register on the AI tool. You can do text to video, you can also do image to video, you can do a lot of things, and they have several different type of AI model you can use. When you click here like this, you are going to see different type of AI model you can see. As you can see, they also have Grok video. As you can see, all this Seedance 2.0, Us AI, Gemini, Omni, as you can see, Saro 2, all these AI tools, they have them on their platform. But we are using this first one that say Real Motion 3.1 Tubon audio and new video. As you can see, it is free. As you can see, free there. That is the one we are going to use. Now, if you want to do text to video, all you just have to do, just go and copy your prompt from ChatGPT or your video idea, and you are going to paste it here. Now, I have my video idea with the prompt. I will paste it here, and after that, I'm going to click here and set my duration to 5 seconds and aspect ratio to 16.9, and also resolution, I will leave it at 480p. And after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate here. Now, it will ask you to log in if you have not logged in your account before. So let me just log into my account. So after you log in, you click on generate again, and it will start generating your video for you. So let's give it some minutes. It's still rotating. My network is very poor, that is why. But if you do it, it's going to generate the video, as you can see. So it's taking time. That is because my network is little poor. But as you can see, it says creating task. That means it's creating the video right now. So I just have to give it some minutes and it's going to create the video, and you guys are going to see the video. I just give it a single prompt, a simple prompt. I'm doing what to call text to video without adding the image. If you want to add the image, you are going to see a plus icon here where you just click on it and you are going to add your image. All you just need to do, just click on this plus icon and you are going to see upload image, and it will take you to your phone gallery just the way we were doing it on our previous AI videos. You take it to your phone gallery like this image. I can upload this image right now, and after I upload this image, you just put your prompt and you click on generate, you click on create, and it will start creating your video, and it's going to create your video for you, and it is free. The only thing is that if it creates the video, it's going to come with watermark, and that watermark you can remove it. I've shown you guys on my previous video how you can remove watermark from videos. So just let's allow this video to generate, and I'm going to show you guys how the result is going to look like. Now our video is complete. As you can see, this is the video here. Let me play the video.
Child will change the lives of everyone in this. This child will change the lives of everyone in this.
So this is the result that you are seeing here. If you want to download it, you can click on this three dots here. You can click here and you are going to see download, and the video is going to download to your phone. Now when the video download, you are going to see the video like this.
This child will change the lives of everyone in this.
Now that is the video that just play right now. So if you want to do image to video, you upload your image, you put your prompt here. After putting your prompt, you also click on generate, and that is how your video is going to generate if you are using image to video. I've shown you guys how you can do image to video on my previous video. So this is how you are going to use this AI tool to be generating videos for yourself for free. Now you have seen the AI tool, how you can use the AI tool to be generating videos for yourself for free without subscribing, without credit. Everything is free. The only thing, it is watermark, and I've made videos before how you can remove watermark on videos like this. But if you don't know how to do it, you can comment in the comment section of this video and ask me, and I'm going to make a new video about it or tell you what to do or the best app you can use to remove any watermark from videos. So don't forget to share this video so that more people are going to benefit from these videos. See you guys on our next video.